Mofab's a speed shop. We do all things fast.
And we make kick-ass lattes. Hey, Pumpkin.
Hi, welcome to Mofab. I'm Scott Mulder, I'm the owner of Mofab.
I'm Nick the Tuner.
Nick the Tuner. Take 3, roll it. If you want to go fast, you come to Mofab. I love doing it because it's something that I've always enjoyed doing. For me, it was just tinkering. Like, I've always been a tinkerer, so that's kind of how it started off.
It was a 1988 Saab, 900 SPG, and yeah, it got me into turbocharging. A lot of trouble, yeah.
I've always had an interest in motorsports, especially going fast, but also the competitive side of it. This car's a real wolf in sheep's clothing. I paid $600 for it originally, and I race against guys that have 6-figure cars. It hurts a lot of guys' egos.
We weren't like the coolest bunch in high school. It's like a way to express ourselves. I think that, you know, we pick the less popular things, maybe, and kind of show the world that we can turn something that would otherwise be pretty unassuming and clean house. We really do a little bit of everything. Professional installation of products that are either made that we install or stuff that we'll make in-house.
Custom alignments,
Skyline and suspension, parts installations,
fabrication,
corner weight and balancing for both street cars and race cars. Tuning is probably one of our largest services.
We offered all-wheel drive dyno tuning service. It's like instant gratification.
I mean, you literally get to watch the horsepower increase as he works his magic.
Right from shop to dyno. We tune everything from domestic to European to Japanese. We could dive into pretty much anything.
The team that we have that helps us execute everything is what really makes it all happen. Everybody's got a piece of talent that brings the whole package together.
To have the expertise that we have and to really provide a quality product to the customer is really important.
A lot of times you see in this industry half-finished projects or just stuff that wasn't thought out very well. I think what sets us apart is the quality of work. You know, we're all pretty big perfectionists around here. We take a more methodical approach to how we modify someone's car. We're not just gonna throw parts at it to throw parts at it.
The company slogan, build, maintain, race, really does mean, you know, we'll build it. Once we build it, we'll maintain it. And then if you want to race it, it's ready to go.